यार ये तारीफ समझा दे मुझे.
First you gotta staple your hands like this. Okay. The covalent bond. How is formed? This is a question simple. Examiner can ask the two questions in this way that what is covalent bond is a simple definition. Instead of saying this, he can also say how covalent bond is formed. So I think first this question is really important and is really badly and arduous to me to explain it. Okay, I will read it for a while. Look at the question how covalent bond is formed. So I have a diary and I will make you understand by giving an example. So when two atoms approach each other in order to form a bond, he is saying that these are the two atoms, okay, and this is the nucleus of this atom. These are electrons that I am drawing, okay. They undergo important changes in the energy in this process. They repel each other. Electrons and atoms repel each other and attract each other. When they repel each other, this is called repulsion force. When they attract each other, this is called attractive force. And these things will we teach in this answer. The electrons belonging to one atom will come under the attractive influence of the nucleus of other atom. This is the force of attraction and will be responsible for lowering energy electrons and the nucleus of the atom, and will also this is now we are going to toward the repulsion forces. When they repels each other, this is called repulsion force. So another thing is that the two atoms will bring themselves at such a distance so that attractive forces dominant repulsive forces. Total energy at this time there will be minimum and thus a stable molecule. So look at the drawing here. These are the positive electrons and these are the negative electrons. You know the both when same electrons, basically the thing is that this is a rule that same electrons repel each other. Look at it now, they are repulsion force here, and different electrons attract each other. When they repel, I think it will be a gain of energy, and when they attract, this will be a loss of energy. So this is a way that you can describe your covalent bond. And another thing is that वो basically thing is that वो देखते क्या हैं if they ask the simple question, अगर वो आपसे एक simple question पूछते हैं कि what is covalent bond, in this case you have to define covalent bond. And other thing is that in this case you have to give example. When you will give example, it is a benefit that you cannot envisage that how will you get benefit from it. It is so benefit for you. He will give I think two numbers complete. So instead of says, if you just define it and what is covalent bond, you just write its definition. Look at me what am I saying. If you write just definition, I think you will not get complete number, in this case complete marks. So this is the way that you can give the answer with covalent bond, and also you have to give example. So if the definition have no any example, so you can give the example of types of covalent bond. I think you have to written some extra these sort of things. Have you any problem?
No.
Okay, now I have to study my downs, so you have to study on yourself. So welcome, this is the way we study often Sunday night, because this is Sunday night. Where are you going now? Okay, so Sunday night is a powerful night. In this night you can study all the 7 days. So this is a simple way to improve your skills, to improve your knowledge that you have been studying all 7 days. That's why every Sunday I will do this lecture, and I will learn with these sort of things with my little brother. So this is the way that I'm gonna studying, and I have been through this. I have been studying for a long time. this is my style of study. I often study at the night because in the night there's a peaceful environment. No one can stop you to achieve your goals. If you are studying in the night, at the night, it's a really good for you, and your mind will be fresh in this situation. So downs I'm reading here a lot of downs. I have been through a lot of things. I have been reading for a long time, but it gave me a lot of I'm talking about vocab. It gave me a lot of vocab, so that's why I'm gonna doing this, and I'm gonna studying this. So hope I will meet you in next video. So till that, you gotta subscribe our YouTube channels, and I hope you won.